Good morning, children. I hope you are fine. Yes, children. Okay, children. All of you take your book. Take lesson 1. Today we are going to see the book exercise. I am giving the answer. You mark the answer. Okay. I'm going to see page number 9. Tick the correct answer. First question. Fruits and vegetables or dash foods. Protective foods. Second question. Excess dash gets stored under the skin. Fat. Third question. Dash is not a nutrient. Roughage. Mark the correct answer, children. First one. Energy giving foods or dash. Carbohydrates and fats. So the answer is C. Fifth one. Dash is a cooking as well as method of preservation. Boiling. Answer is A. Did you mark this answer, children? Okay, children. Now, blanks. First question. Those who do physical work need more carbohydrates. M-O-R-E. More carbohydrates. Second question. Proteins are known as body building food. Body building food. B-O-D-Y. Body building. B-U-I-L-D-I-N-G. Body building food. Cheese has protein. P-R-O-T-E-I-N. Fourth one. Apart from all the nutrients, food also contains dietary fibers and water. D-I-E-T-E-R-Y. Dietary fibers. F-I-B-R-E-S. And water. W-A-T-E-R. Water. Fifth one. Dust keeps our eyes and skin healthy. Vitamin A. V-I-T-A-M-I-N-A. Vitamin A. Okay, children. Vitamin A keeps our eyes and skin healthy. Second one, iron, rich in green leafy vegetables. Milk keeps our bones and teeth strong. Fourth one, junk food does not contain good nutrients. Okay. Circle the odd one out. Protein, carbohydrate, fat, roughage. 4 is given. We have to find out the odd one. Yes. First one, roughage. Second one, canning, pickling, drying, steaming. Canning, pickling, drying, steaming. Steaming is the answer. Third one, calcium, vitamin C, iron, potassium. Vitamin C. Then fourth one, fish, mutton, egg, paneer. Paneer. Okay, children? Okay, mark this. Now, state true or false. State true or false. First question, nutrient in soya beans. Nutrient in soya beans helps in bodybuilding. True. Second one, fat rich food is also called bodybuilding food. False. F-A-L-S-E. Third one, low temperature inside the refrigerator slows down the growth of germs. True. T-R-U-E. Fourth one, growing children need more fat rich food than grown up. False. F-A-L-S-E. Okay, children? Okay. Now take the correct answer. It is in page number 11. All of you take page number 11. Turn to the page and take page number 11. Take the correct answer. First question, most of our energy requirements are met by dash. Carbohydrates. Vitamin C. Second question, vitamin C is rich in dash. Lemon. Answer B. Third one, dash is rich in vitamins and minerals. Green leafy vegetables. So answer C. Fourth one, food preservation dash. Prevent spoilage of the food. Okay. Did you mark the answer? Okay. Now listen children. In that page 11, very short answer type question. Give reasons for the following. Give reasons for the following. 3 questions are there. So you write the answer in that place. First one, a rickshaw puller needs more carbohydrates than an office goer. They have to work hard for his living and for doing hard work. They have to work hard for his living and for doing hard work. So they need more energy. Second one, vegetables should be washed before they are cut. You get ready? Second question, vegetables should be washed before they are cut. Answer, washing will remove bacteria from the outside. Washing will remove bacteria from the outside. Okay? Write this answer there. Third question, we must take roughage in our meal. Answer, keeps our digestive system healthy. Keeps our digestive system healthy. Okay children? Write fast. Write this, give reason answer, write in the book only. No need to write in the classwork note. Okay children? You write the answer in your book. Now all of you take a homework note. Write the homework question. Write the homework fast and take photos and send the homework in our school WhatsApp. Okay children? Okay, write the homework. First question, citrus fruits are rich in dash. Second one, does help in the formation of bones and teeth. Third one, removing the water content of the food is dash. Fourth one, mixing fruits and vegetables with oil and salt is dash. Fifth one, sweets, chocolates and oatmeal are rich in dash. Only 5 questions. You read our book. I am taking this 5 questions. I have taken this 5 questions from your book, lesson 1. Okay, from it, these all answers are in your book. When you read your book, the reading vocabulary will increase. Yes or no? Reading practice will increase. So you must read your book and find the answer. You must read your book and find the answer. All those answers are in your book only. Okay children? Listen. Only 2 answer the following also I have given. Write the question. Answer the following. Why should we not overcook the food? Why should we not overcook the food? Second question, what is food preservation? What is food preservation? Only 2 questions. Okay, you add these 2 questions with the homework. Okay children, this is also homework. This is also homework. Only 2 questions. Did you understand? Now I give some advice. Lesson 1, classwork, book exercise, you study. Okay children, you have test in the next video. I will ask question, you should answer them. Before that you must study classwork and also book exercise. Okay children, thank you all.